Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing this platinum icy blonde wig install from Arabella. All the links and all the details to it, like length and density, will be down in the description box. So here's what the wig was looking like. This is not out of the box. I did go ahead and use a purple shampoo toner, but I didn't tone it for too long because I was scared how it's going to come out. But I literally just dipped the hair in purple shampoo and let it sit for like probably 10ish minutes. But that's just to get the yellow tone out. And I did not pluck this wig. I feel like the hairline was already pretty thinned out, so honestly it was a very easy install to start off with. Now I'm going in with some foundation to tint my lace, and I feel like maybe I shouldn't have tinted the lace because the makeup did end up getting onto the hair, but I don't know, the lace was just a little bit too light for my opinion, so I had to tint it regardless. I'm just showing you guys real quick. I had to change my shirt because this color was not working with the wig and the shirt that I was wearing. Like, I looked crazy, so I ended up putting on a black t-shirt. I feel like there was too much color going on. But anywhoosies, now I'm just going in and doing my standard installation process. I'm just using my ebon lace spray and just spraying that onto the lace and going in with a blow dryer on a cool setting. Cool setting works better than a heat setting. I feel like you don't want to dry it too fast. That's when you get it to be too sticky and it's just too hard to work with. So using a cool setting in the back of my edge control brush, I'm just pushing the lace in section by section, and I'm using my scissors to go ahead and cut off all of that excess lace. I went ahead and finished the other side off camera and came back, and now I'm just tying down the lace, let it finish drying with my elastic band. It's just like a standard, waist elastic band. I got mine from Walmart, I believe. It's super affordable. But right now I'm just doing my baby hairs, and of course you know the drill. If you've been watching me for a while, I'm using my Eco Styler, the green one that has the strongest hold. And now you can probably start to notice that the makeup starts to mix with the the Eco Styler, and starts to blend into the baby hairs and gets into the hairline. I tried using makeup wipes and like my micellar water, which you'll see probably later in the clips, to wipe that off, but it really did not wipe off. But that's fine. I feel like it wasn't too noticeable, but yeah. One thing I did notice as well when I was doing this install is that the baby hairs had to be much thicker for you to really see it. So I did have to go back in, which you won't see on camera, and just add more hair to make the baby hairs much more thicker so you can really see them on my skin. swoops to my satisfaction. I'm going in again with that same elastic band and just laying down these edges, because you want to make sure the hairline and everything is nice and dry. Also, this kind of helps as a grip as you're styling the hair, because you know the hair is not dry yet, so of course you might get some lifting. But like I said earlier, right now I'm just going in with some makeup wipes and some micellar water to try to wipe off that hairline well. But it really didn't do much. Very important to have a very smooth, finished, professional looking job, to have a hot comb, because that's the only way you're gonna be able to press out the hair root by root. I did go ahead and cut the hair bluntly at the ends and put some layers into it, because I just feel like my hair always just looks better when the ends are nice and thick, and some layers also just helps frame the face a lot better in my opinion. And now I'm just gonna go in and press out this hair. This hair was straight hair, but since I washed it and I let it air dry, it got into this like little wavy pattern that you see. So I'm just using some hair serum, which I'll link down below as well, to help with the frizz, get some shine and smoothing. And I'm just gonna go through and straighten the hair real quick. Done straightening through the hair, I felt like the hair wasn't really giving what I wanted it to give, so I did go ahead and get my round brush and my flat iron to just kind of really bump the ends out and just really show off the layers. And since the ends are nice and thick and healthy now, I kind of gave that a good chop. I feel like the bump just looked a lot better, and it kind of just gave the hair more life to it. Sometimes I don't really like hair just too straight down, it's too boring, so I wanted to, give a little something, and it definitely was giving a lot more better this way. But still, personally, I felt like this wig, I didn't like it too much because, well, not the wig, but the color wasn't my favorite because I didn't have my makeup on. I feel like this is a color I would rock if I had like a very deep face, or to like give a look type of thing. But like for everyday, not so much. Maybe if I did more of an ash blonde color, which I'll definitely try next time, where you have to like kind of be more specific with the toning process. So I'll definitely try that next time. But as far as this, I did like the look. Regardless, this look still came out really beautiful, especially with the little layers. I feel like it's giving very storm vibes. Probably a great Halloween costume. Like I said, again, a look type of wig, but not like an everyday natural type of thing, but I still enjoyed it. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.